Hey, welcome back again and again and again and again. How you doing, guys? Astuo, boom. Yeah. Okay. All right. I got this 2014 Ford Mustang. Mustang. You get what I'm saying? No? Okay. All right. So I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life in this 2014 Ford Mustang. All right. So all you gotta do, the car is running, know what I'm saying? As always. You do it on the go, know what I'm saying? So you're gonna play with this guy right here. You're gonna see that right there. So all you do is scroll down. You're gonna see that. Keep going down, go settings, press OK. Now go vehicle, press OK. Now go oil life reset, press OK. Now you don't want to set it to 10%. Know what I'm saying? You scroll up and set it to 100%. Know what I'm saying? Because that's how we do. 100%. Know what I'm saying? You just press OK and hold it. Hold OK to reset. It says right there. Oil life set to 100%. And this is how you reset the oil life in a 2014 Ford Mustang. Mustang. You see what I'm saying? Okay, yeah, never mind. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you if you subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't done it, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. And please, I need the feedback. I need it in the comment box. Any opinions, any suggestions, any ideas, anything you need to say about these videos, especially this one, put it in the comment box. Okay? And I'll catch you in the next one. Holla at your boy, who was a stool. Boom.